Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and today we are going to discuss about understanding hierarchies and adding drill down in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through different visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, we will particularly talk about 2 points. In the first point, we will tell you how do you use hierarchies feature in your visualization. While in the second point, we will cover about the drill down feature. So to cover all these aspects, we have to go into the Power BI desktop. So let's go into the Power BI desktop itself and understand how this function works. Now we are in Power BI Desktop in Data Model Interface and specifically in Report View because you can see a visualization in here and visualization can only be seen in a report view. Now let's get back to the question of the video about hierarchies and why do we need it. First of all, I will tell you about why do we need it. Then I will tell you how do you use hierarchies. So this is a clustered column chart. So you have a data set that produce this chart. Now you have an axis that is region name. So specifically I need, in spite of a region name, I need a country. For that I have to drag the country from the dimension region table column into an axis. If I put in that in here, you will see there is no changes that happened in our data set. While I want to see the country specific, I have to remove the region name first. So I will remove this, then you will see on the country specific the visualization is generated. But this is a huge thing to do again and again. So is there any option in which I can do while if I just produce a region name, then on the country name I can also be seen in the same visualization without dragging and dropping it every time I want to see a region name as well as country. Yes, in a Power BI desktop that feature is available and that what is called hierarchy. So how do you do that? Before doing that, just remove the country from here and again click on a region name. So when you click on a region name, the visualization will get back to where it earlier was. Now I want to introduce an hierarchy in this feature. How do I do that? So again, just go into the region name. Then after that, right click on a mouse cursor. When you do that, there is one box that opens up that shows a new hierarchy option that is available to you. So when you click on a new hierarchy, there is, so after clicking on the new hierarchy, you will see there is feature now available under the region name, that is region name hierarchy and region name. So specifically you will get two columns, but I want a country in this region name, so I don't have to put every time into an axis to see the visualization. Just I put one axis, after that the visualization will be introduced through hierarchy. So for that, how do you introduce this country name into region name hierarchy? That is quite simple. You have to just go into the country and click on it. After that, drag and drop into the region name. So when you put it there, you will see the new column will be introduced within inside the region name hierarchy. Now there are two columns within a region name hierarchy. So in spite of the region name hierarchy, just drag and drop the region name hierarchy. So in spite of the region name, we are now having a region name hierarchy. So before doing any further or before going any further, just cancel the region name or you can unclick in here, so the uncheck box will be done. Now you have a region name hierarchy. Now what is the difference between earlier region name and this one? Earlier didn't have these features. This features is now available to you. Now what is the difference? Like I will show you again. If I cancel this and I put this now. Now you will see there are no feature available to you for the hierarchies. But when I put cancel this and drag and drop this into an access, you will see there are new features that are available to you, that is go to the next level in hierarchies. So when I click on it, you will see we will be directed into the country region. So this is country, all the countries that are available in now, like Pakistan, Russia Federation, Germany, India. So these are the available now. This is to go to the next level of hierarchy. Like earlier, I was on region name. Now I am on country. Again, I want to get back onto the region name. For that, you have to click on a drill up. So this is a drill up feature. So this is how you will use this feature. So there are two things, that is if I want to go next into my hierarchy, yani down into my hierarchy, that is country, again I will click on this feature, and again I want to get back into the region name, I will drill up. So this is how you will use this feature. So there's another option that is available to. So after these 2 points, there are another option that is available to you, that is expand all down one level in one hierarchy. So when I click on it, you will see everything is now into a one hierarchy. That is how it works. So if you want to explore this, you can go and explore this from here till the end. And if I want to drill up again, just click on this and you will again back into the region name hierarchy. Because in the region name hierarchy, region name is the first, then country is available. So after this, you will also see there's one option that is available to you, that is drill down. So when I click on a drill down, what is the difference? So if I click on a drill down, when I click on any specific, that is Africa, so you will see when I click on it, your data which is shown in your hierarchy after clicking on the drill down is only available of Africa. So you will see the region or a country name, that is African Nigeria, African Ethiopia, African Uganda, African Angola. If I again go up and checking out this feature only, now I will drill up. Again, if I want to see more expansion or more exploration of a specific region, I have to put this drill down mode on. If I click on it and again will click on something, you will see there is only thing that is happening now is changing in the highlight of the adjacent visualization according to this, and the highlight within this visualization. So this is only thing that is happening when the drill down feature is not working. When drill mode is on, when I click on a drill mode and after that I will click on Asia, you will see all the countries that are available in Asia, which is due to the hierarchies. You will see Asia India, Asia China, Asia Indonesia. So all these countries are belong to Asia, which is a helpful feature to explore within the hierarchies, like region name. Like if I put again a one thing before the region name, that is continent, you will see again on the basis of continent we get into the region, on the basis of region we get into the country. And again if I put up one more hierarchy after this, country into states, again if the real mode is on and the data is available, when I click on something like Indonesia, all the countries that are available within Indonesia will be available within this data format, in this data format. But the data is not available for getting into that much of hierarchy, so we again go drill up. So I hope you would understand and already understand the hierarchies and drill down feature. So before going any further, I will tell you about this feature in a more sense, in a more functionality. Like this is the feature that are available within your visualization, but this is also available into data drill. After that, to understand the functionality of a data drill into more expansion, I will tell you another feature which is available in here also, but as I've already told you, the feature with the same functionality are present more than once in Power BI desktop. So where the feature that is available in this are again is also present in the ribbon, that is data drill. When I click on it, you will see the expansion of the data drill, which I've already told you in my previous video about the interface of a report view. I've told you in that video we will discuss it in future video. So this is one of the video in which I will tell you about the data drill. So this is how you will do that. All the features that are available in here is also available in this feature, like apply drill down filters to selected visuals. If you want to do any specific thing, you can do from here. Also expand next level. So I will click on it, you will see it, we will get into the expand next level. I will again drill up which are features that are available in here also. Again, if I want to drill down, I can do that from here. That is the feature I put on or off, because this feature only used when I want to explore within this specific bar. So if I click on it again, I am telling this, I will click on the data drill down, turn the drill down mode on. I will get into within the Asia. That is specifically when I click on it, you will see all the countries that are available in Asia. This is how you will go through our data set, which is present in a hierarchy. I hope you have understand how the hierarchies and data drill down works. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.